So guys, hello and welcome. Here with you today is me. My name is Alex and we are here at bitseven.com blog, and we have our traditional online trading session. And all of you guys have opportunity to join me today and discuss some different things, news from cryptosphere, from world of digital economy, and maybe we will trade online uh, and discuss some cryptocurrency strategies. So as always, let's begin with short analysis of what have happened uh, recently. How's our chart doing at the moment? So guys, I remember that you're all welcome to type in the chat, to write me something, ask questions. It's always welcome to discuss your ideas, to suggest investment cases. That's also an option. So let's have a peek at the chart. And I'm reminding you that we trade at bitseven.com. It's very convenient new crypto platform. And so I push here to see a full scale. Here we see our chart with one-day candles, and you see some interesting figures from analysis we did before. Those of you who haven't seen our previous stream, I remind you that previous stream I had a friend of mine, his name is Andrew, and we talk about sudden price movement, and we talk about 3 different scenarios. So let's see how our forecasts being realized. So let's see. Oh, hello. Hi. У нас стрим вообще на англоязычную аудиторию рассчитан, поэтому в основном я буду говорить на английском языке, вот, но вы можете писать по-русски в чат, я понимаю, что вы пишете, вот. В принципе, что-то, наверное, могу отвечать по-русски, но буду в основном отвечать по-английски. Мы торгуем биткоином и обсуждаем текущие новости, анализ на текущий момент ситуации. So, I had a little chat with Daniel, yes, about what we're doing today, and today we see this line. Well, ну как на русском? Я же говорю, что в основном на англоязычную, поэтому ответы на вопросы будут преимущественно, конечно, на английском. Вот, ну, персонально для вас тоже что-то на русском можем отвечать. Кстати, если есть какие-то вопросы, там, не знаю, мысли, пожалуйста, пишите в чат. So, let's return. And Andrew on the previous stream, he told I think short. Andrew Marchis, hello. I think short. I had a small conversation with guys from Trader Team, and they said go short. Yep. And as we can see, let's actually have a look why. Uh, Now market is in period of consolidation. Yes, we're testing this line. Well, generally I'm talking about the analysis we did before. The analysis was as follows, as following. If we break through the line of 5,200, then it will pop. Well, now is kind of a point of like bifurcation, point of bifurcation, because this line 5,200, well, it's almost like there. It's almost like there if we look at the yep, it's like uh, something like this. Yep. So well, well, I think it will go up. I think it will go up, but now it's kind of. I mean, for that moment, if you're gonna train today, it's kind of risky to go for a long position. But generally, we see a break through this line of resistance is kind of very long, very strong line of resistance, and it's being broken. So I think it generally go up. Our expert, our pro trader, told that if we go higher than 5,200 approximately, then we will go to 6,000. But that's not certain. I think. I think it's kind of. Let's have a look at 1 hour. Yep, it's kind of more like struggle. And let's return to our. So, Andrew, and what's your opinion? Do you think it will go higher than? Or what do you mean by pop? You mean like go to 6,000 or go to 10,000? What do you mean by that? And I want to bring back my favorite tools. It's yep, let's make it a little bit smaller. Yep, and you see there's a lot of crossings in our bot zone. That means that kind of market's not sure where to go. It's well, the big level, I think 5,600 is the strong line of resistance. If we go higher than that, then I think we'll go to yep, we will go to even so the lines kind of I will show you. So So this is the first line of resistance, and we crossed it. Yes, but it's like it just very mm, this movement is like dynamics is not certain, so it's kind of evident if you look at this indicator. And if you look at this line, yep, let's draw another line. Or maybe with something like that. Like that. Yes. So this is the second line, and this is the first, the third line. Well, if you are interested, well, what you should do, hold or sell. My friends told me a funny joke about some guy. Well, it's like a meme, like hodl hodl. It's mean hold hold, just mistyped. That means now it's good time to wait and maybe invest and wait for opportunity to sell at some high price, maybe like 10,000. But it's not very me personally. I would wait for it. I would wait for more clear signals from the market, because yes, the movement, the hype, the kind of this crossing this resistance line, this shows us that we have a pretty just a good chance that the price will just fly up. But these days, in generally in a down movement, it is bearish. And let's look at this. Yep. And especially as you see why you should not enter on long position today, because uh, previous days were pretty much up movement, and these days reversed. So it's kind of like some correction of trend. It's not safe. So maybe you just will play on something on intraday. Intraday. And we see like that movement. Well, how much is that range? I think if it will cross this line, then we can bet on an upward movement, and upward movement is generally a good option for us because the day trend is clearly showing us the bullish tendencies. Whoa, so what do we hear? So, well, we kind of can make a risky order and open up a buying position. What do you think, guys, about that? I think if we hold for some time, then we have a chance. And but not until it crosses this line. Oh, hello. It's real live like this, a little bit seven, but okay. I'll write down your channel name, but my channel is Bitmex Fast Money Trader. Okay. Uh, so we're here trading at bitseven.com. It is also a very good platform, and we uh, trade it live. Yeah, we understand you. So Bitmex fast trader, what's your opinion about should we like go for a short buying position? Mm, I kind of think that if we cross this resistance line, we can like make a bet. Mm. And please just don't be aggressive in advertising your channel because it's not very polite, and if you go too hard, I will be obliged to ban you. So just don't be too hard on that, okay? Hmm. Bessa Business, do you hear me? Um, my program shows that's mic is working good. I think other guys hear me well. I'm in short. Bitmex, you're in a short buying position, you mean? Already? Uh, you're waking. Uh, Ah, you mean low volume? Okay, I just let me fix it. Bessa, thank you for telling because I was not aware of it. Okay. So, Bessa, is it better now? Uh, I've I added about 30% of. Yes, like this. Is it better like this? I've added about 50% of loudness. I think it should be better now. The name was good for my limit trade high level only on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, you trade high leverage on one. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Okay, just you uh, you made me curious about that. So just let's open 1 minute and yep, we have high leverages also. We can make like uh, we can make for example 100. Yep. Oh, okay, thank you. So we can make fast money trader. What's your idea about trading on 1 minute chart? It's kind of interesting. You mean mm, okay. Mm, uh, well, I'm not just kind of in mood for 1 minute pipsing with high leverage because it's kind of risky, you know. Well, and for this kind of stuff, you should have appropriate commission. You should be aware of that. So, me personally, guys, I like to trade on like intraday, not even intra-hour, but on this streaming session, I usually try to show something uh, in 1 hour scale. German pinpricks, we predict moves in 2-3 minutes in advance. Kind of interesting. And German pinpricks is what? Is it an indicator? Never heard of this. Bitmex, and how about the commissions? So your profit is just a little above the commission, or just explain a little bit. Uh, well, maybe best. Maybe I'm using webcam mic from how it is Logitech Cam. It's kind of expensive one. Mm, uh, by the way, Bit, Fast Money Trader and other guys, do you hear me well? You trade ETH 5 or no profit at 50%.
А ты у него спроси, как он так сделал, 200 партнеров привел за 7 дней. Он этого, кто тебе пишет.
Что такое 200 партнеров?
Ну, он написал, что он за 7 дней 200 партнеров привел в Bitseven. Кто тебе пишет сейчас?
Uh, Fast money trader. I've got an interesting question for you. How did you manage to get so many affiliates in Bitseven or partners? Just don't remember. Uh, like a guy who is making a technical site for translations, he just googled your account and he says like, "Oh, so many affiliates. How did you manage?" Привет, hello. Uh, we have a multilingual stream session. It's mostly in English, but some answers will be in Russian. Ну, мы в основном по-английски разговариваем, но какие-то вещи на русском тоже можем говорить. Trading now. Yes. How did you manage to do that? What's your secret? Uh, mm, you teach for that's good. That's something to be praised for. Are you a professional trader? Fast money trader. Do you do it? Is it your main occupation? You do it for living? Mm, that's nice. Uh, are you interested in collaborations? Fast money trader. Mm, that's a success. A story of success. That's a story of success. Well, it's kind of. I'm very pleased to have you join our translation. Always very interested to. I'm always very pleased to have some interesting guys, especially pro guys and crypto enthusiasts like you. It's always a pleasure for me. Um, Technical analysis, you mean? Mm, and why? Why is that? Uh, well, on 1 minute candles, technical analysis is like I don't say it doesn't work, but it's kind of a special kind of technical analysis. Mm, yep, I understand you. Understand. And why you switched for crypto? Uh, why you switched for crypto from options trading? So you think crypto assets is the future and options is the past? Ah, uh, it's like market, in fact, has no memory. You mean yes? Well, in short, on short scales, I think kind of yes, but on long, that's depends on your specific. That depends on what do you. It's a game of war. Yeah. Well, I kind of like your approach to this. Yes, it's we're building the future, man. That's good. That's cool. I think cryptocurrencies will own the world, and fiat money will they will stay, but they will have a weak position. So, mm, Oracle strategy. And what is Oracle strategy? Uh, Never heard of one. Guys, do you know what Oracle strategy is? Hi, they call you Oracle. A velocity trade with 90-sec profits and fast trading waves in the 1 minute. They call me Oracle. Yep. Guys, you you made me interested, and so I just kinda I have to Google this. You leave me no other options. Can make. Uh, Nathaniel, hello, hello. What do you mean? Which move? You mean should you open a position? Oracle move. Ah, you mean like. Mm, so I kind of googled something like Oracle fork trading system. That's not yours, yes? Uh, Oracle trend fork system Dolphin Trader. That's not yours strategy. Bessa, can you show me an example? Just type, like for example, can you tell me like an example? For example, I got this is a short-term strategy like for minutes. Yes, they call me scammers. For example, we have this 1 minute scale, or maybe just send me a link to description because I want to try it. Yep, I want to try it. I'm open to all this kind of stuff. I got a lot of friends, a lot of pro traders, and all the different approaches: long, short, intraday, intra-hour, and so I'm ready to try anything. Especially if you say that something like 1 minute candles on high leverages just sounds good. Sounds good for me. So I'm just watching your channel and I see that to learn this strategy I gotta open your video. Well, I can do it later, but now your Discord channel, you mean? Mm, and uh, master of 1 minute chart. Mm, mm. My bot is YouTube bot. I didn't set him up to for something special. It's like automatic. You mean the settings of posting? Where Wix was Oracle became master on a liquid platform to promote. Yep. So you mean Bitseven? I have like direct link to the guys who are working at bitseven.com. So if you want to promote that, if you want to have a collaboration, just type your contacts or message you in. What's like how do I find you in Discord? Uh, how to find you in Discord? Oracle. What's your nickname there? Yep. Just send a link. I think if my settings will allow you. Uh, you're watching Leverage Pro Trading. Yep. Bitseven Leverage Trading. Yep. I will set chat to allow links. Uh, How can I connect with you? You mentioned Discord. Uh, how to find you in Discord? What's your nickname in Discord? Oracle or how? Or do you have contacts on your YouTube channel? Just type your nickname in the chat. Yep, I got that. It's all yours, all your accounts. If you are interested in promotion, maybe like maybe we'll have a special conditions for you. So just how to also needs stop loss email. Ну, ну как подвалил? Это все одно лицо на самом деле. Вот. Maybe email and Oracle. Type please your full email in the chat, and we will send you a letter. That's your Discord ID, yes. The Oracle hashtag 9977. That's it. Okay. And please type your email just for a backup. Leverage adjuster on the fly. Cool. Need a 6-hourly chart. I mean, yeah. Well, maybe in the next updates this will be added. Well, who knows? I can send your suggestions to the programmers team, and maybe this will be released in some following updates. Without scrolling left to right half an inch every time. Can you please can you write all your suggestions, because we appreciate that. Can you write them down and send an email to support? I will have a word with managers, and I will tell. Yep. I have your Discord ID. Yes. And can you please type the email just to be sure? Uh, um, we are very thankful for all your suggestions, and we will it's better if you will write in email to official support of bitseven.com, and I will have a word with managers, and they will for this this will not be ignored. This will so they will consider the adding your suggestion in the following updates. Indicators. Yep, this one is what's really we also make better deal with fees a bit high non-BTC. Well, about user indicators, that's actually, yes, me personally, I also wait for this. There's no information about adding this, but yes, custom user indicator, it's necessary. It's necessary. SMM specialist, yes, you're very good at cryptocurrency trading. Yes, it's nice to be an expert. Ah, do you trade from Australia? Um, it's nice to hear a lot of ideas from you. Just so cool that people are not like ignoring that some people have vision. It's nice to meet people like you. I'm very happy to see all guys who have their own approach, their own vision, their own style for things. That's kind of diversity is better. Mm, like celebrating diversity. A few of us do. Uh, so it's kind of you have a team of traders. So it's like it's you had a lot of like a group of people trading. I mean your Oracle stuff and so on. It's like yep, yep. Yes, да. Ну, не обязательно своих, но как бы там и клоны, и кто-то, может быть, его, да. So it's a group of people. I mean, your Oracle group. It's not like you alone. It's you and your students, friends, colleagues. Yes, I got you right. So, by the way, the wolf pack. I see you have a taste for how to say it, poetic names. Like something alpha, wolfpack, oracle. So that's good. Like a taste, a flavor of success. You know. Well, it's kind of good. Uh, yes, Nootropics. NZT is. Let me Google it. Ah, NZT. That's like fictional nootropics. Well, I experimented with nootropics like paracetam, like Elcar, you know. Kind of works, yes. It kind of keeps you. Yep. I'm from Russia, yes. From Russian origin. Woo! Wolves hunting for prey on a full moon, hunting for a big, tasteful slice of money. That's great. That's great. Mm, They talk about no, and it is Russian. Seriously, and it is Russian. Uh, you know, in Russia, no one knows about it. It was invented in Russia, but no one knows about that. Mm, Он похоже, что он из Австралии. И он как бы там даже не один, а с какими-то своими рефералами или что-то такое. Алани... Что... I'm not sure if it's even legal, I mean NZT in Russia. It's legal, yes, I've googled it, it's legal. Seriously, like, I've never known about that. I'm not new in world of nootropics, but that's another, just kind of a day of new information, of day of surprises. So I've learned so much from you. It's prescription. You need to know. Yes, I've read Snap about it, and I think it's not something to mess around with. It should be taken with a big caution. It should be. And so what are the effects? Your like cognition improves, your brain start working faster, or you have a flowing of ideas. Yeah, yeah, it is yes. I think yes, but I can't get the name. Uh, okay, okay. Uh, yeah, really. You feel like superhuman on that stuff. So it was very fun to have a conversation with you. I have to finish my translation, and we will connect. We will write you in the Discord or on one of your YouTube channels. Well, I give it a try. If I find it's where I can buy it, I give it a try. I mean, I'm interested in new things. So, Bitmex, Fast Trader, wait, and we will write you. We'll write you something, either in the Discord or maybe on your YouTube channel. Yeah. Bye bye. Goodbye. It was a pleasure to have